For over half a century, the high-performance automotive industry has operated under a very strict, unbreakable set of physical laws. If you are a structural engineer working in Stuttgart or Maranello today, your entire legacy is built on the mastery of mechanical kinetic energy. You fight the inherent weight of a vehicle with heavier and tie roll bars. You fight understeer at the apex with massively complex, remarkably heavy mechanical limited slip differentials. For decades, the European automotive elite believed that their century of motorsport heritage was an impenetrable fortress. But at the 2026 Beijing Auto Show, that fortress wasn't just breached, it was mathematically dismantled. Welcome to the forensic engineering teardown of the Denza Z Spider. What we are witnessing is not just another electric vehicle entering the global market. We are looking at a sub-2-second ballistic missile generating an absolute 1,000 horsepower, effectively turning European acceleration benchmarks into ancient history. But the most chilling aspect for the Western establishment is how this fire. The man who presented this machine on stage, the chief of design, understands the European automotive soul intimately. He utilized his deep knowledge of traditional sports, car proportions, the low center of gravity, the powerful rear fenders, the perfect golden ratio, and weaponized it. He wrapped an authentic, elegant European design language around a digital pathogen. Even the paint, a shifting multi-layered jade green called fen that subtly transitions to blue under sunlight, is a psychological trick. It is a Trojan horse. They used European romance and elegance to disguise a rolling computational vault that is designed to render Western mechanical hardware completely obsolete. Let's begin this autopsy at the very interface between the driver and the machine. In a traditional high-performance sports car, your hands are connected to the front tires via a steel steering column. This is a heavy, rigid spear of metal that runs from the dashboard directly down through the firewall and into the steering rack. It vibrates, it transfers parasitic road noise directly to your wrists, and most importantly, it limits the steering ratio to a fixed, unchangeable mechanical gear. The Denza Z Spider completely annihilates this century-old design. It utilizes a true, aerospace-grade steer-by-wire architecture. There is absolutely zero physical, mechanical connection between the steering wheel and the cabin and the front axle. When you grip the carbon fiber and Nappa leather steering wheel of the Denza Z and turn it into a corner, you are not turning a mechanical shaft. You are generating high-frequency digital telemetry. These digital data packets are transmitted at the speed of light to ultra-low latency actuators, mounted directly on the front suspension matrix. This is precisely why the Denza Z features a self-developed, fully folding steering wheel that completely tucks itself away. Western media might call this a science fiction gimmick, but from a forensic engineering standpoint, it is a physical manifestation of the death of the steering column. Because the entire steering geometry operates on computational data rather than physical gears, the steering ratio is infinitely variable. At 180 miles per hour, the computer actively stiffens the micro-movements to provide the tracking stability of a high-speed bullet train. But the moment you approach a tight hairpin corner on a track, the system instantly condenses the ratio. A slight, minimal tilt of the steering wheel delivers an aggressive, full-lock turn of the front tires with zero mechanical latency. Digital steering means absolutely nothing if the chassis shatters or wallows under the immense lateral G-forces of a 1,000 horsepower launch or a high-speed corner. This brings us to the most terrifying weapon in the Denza Z's dynamic arsenal, the DiSus-M Intelligent Magnetorheological Body Control System. European automakers love to tout their advanced active air suspension systems. But air is a gas, and by the laws of thermodynamics, gases compress. It takes hundreds of milliseconds for an onboard air compressor to react to a sudden weight transfer, pressurize the chamber, and attempt to level the car. The Denza Z abandons pneumatics entirely in favor of molecular manipulation. Inside the DiSus-M dampers, you will not find standard hydraulic oil. Instead, they are filled with a highly specialized synthetic carrier fluid suspended with millions of microscopic, incredibly pure iron nanoparticles. When the Denza Z is traveling in a straight line, these particles float freely, allowing the suspension to absorb road imperfections with the poursuite to parse. They have such the prettiness of a luxury grand tour. However, the moment the vehicle's inertial measurement units and lateral G sensors detect the initiation of a high-speed corner, a violent chain reaction occurs. The central processing unit calculates the exact trajectory, pitch, and roll hundreds of times per second. It then fires a highly calibrated, high-voltage electrical current through electromagnetic coils wrapped directly around the damper pistons. In a fraction of a millisecond, the induced magnetic field forces those free-floating iron particles to instantly align into rigid, fibrous microstructures. The fluid transforms from a liquid into a near-solid state in real time. The vehicle doesn't absorb the roll. It preemptively stiffens the exact corner of the chassis, experiencing the kinetic load, hacking the physical state of matter to generate mechanical grip. Chopping the roof off a vehicle to create a convertible introduces a catastrophic engineering nightmare: the loss of structural and torsional rigidity. The roof of a coupe acts as a vital tension-bearing member. Without it, when a traditional convertible corners hard, the chassis flexes, twists, and completely destroys the handling precision. To solve this, the Denza Z Spider does not rely on heavy, bolted-on steel bracing like traditional European convertibles. Instead, it utilizes its own power source as the primary structural spine through a highly advanced cell-to-body, or CTB, architecture. Battery pack is not just bolted into the floor pan to provide electricity. The ultra-high-strength casing of the battery pack is the floor pan. This integration provides a baseline torsional rigidity that rivals carbon fiber hypercar monocoques, completely preventing the chassis from flexing under extreme kinetic loads, even without a solid roof overhead. But the engineering goes deeper into the realm of passenger preservation. Because it is a Spider, safety in an open-air environment at speeds exceeding 180 miles per hour is paramount. The designers and engineers seamlessly integrated an active roll bar system, entirely hidden within the sleek, aerodynamic rear bodywork behind the headrests. This system remains completely invisible, preserving the elegant proportion and pure racing spirit of the car. However, if the telemetry detects a sudden loss of traction leading to an imminent rollover event, pyrotechnic charges explosively deploy the high-tensile steel roll bars in milliseconds. It is a masterclass in combining violent, track-ready performance with completely invisible, ballistic-grade safety. Aerodynamic supremacy and molecular suspension systems are entirely useless if the vehicle cannot effectively translate its massive 1,000 horsepower to the pavement. This is where the Denza Z fundamentally breaks the traditional performance formula with its E3 architectural matrix. If you look underneath a conventional internal combustion sports car, you will find a massive carbon fiber driveshaft, a heavy transmission, and a complex rear differential attempting to mechanically split the power between the rear wheels. It is a reactive system, constantly playing catch-up, waiting for a tire to lose traction before it locks the differential. The Denza Z completely eliminates the mechanical differential. It utilizes a tri-motor setup, but the true forensic marvel lies entirely in the dual independent rear motors. Because the left rear wheel and the right rear wheel are not physically connected by any axle, they possess completely independent cognitive processing. Imagine you are pushing the Denza Z through a highly technical, sweeping corner. Physics dictates that a vehicle of this footprint should push wide into catastrophic understeer. But the E3 system executes what engineers call absolute torque vectoring. The outside rear motor can unleash hundreds of horsepower of positive thrust to physically push the car forward, while simultaneously, the inside rear motor applies massive negative torque, effectively dragging the inside wheel through aggressive regenerative braking. This creates a massive, mathematically calculated, artificial yaw moment. It literally forces the nose of the car into the apex. It defies its own mass, pivoting on a magnetic axis rather than relying purely on the mechanical friction coefficient of the front tires. Pushing 3 high-density electric motors to their absolute limits to achieve a sub-2-second 0 to 60 acceleration creates a staggering, apocalyptic amount of thermal energy. In the realm of hypercars, heat is the enemy of speed. To prevent catastrophic thermal throttling, the Denza Z Spider executes an extreme thermodynamic and aerodynamic overhaul. Because this is an open-top Spider variant, traditional roofline aerodynamics are inherently compromised. You cannot channel air over the cabin efficiently. The design board solved this by converting nearly 50% of the entire rear fascia into a massive, mathematically sculpted aerodynamic diffuser. The undercarriage is generating massive mechanical downforce, creating a low-pressure zone that sucks the car to the asphalt without relying on a giant, drag-inducing rear wing. Simultaneously, you can visually see the thermal engineering on the front hood. Deep, functional air extraction channels, finished in raw carbon fiber, are not there for aggressive styling. They are designed to violently pull high-temperature air out of the front cooling modules, creating a low-pressure extraction zone over the front axle that top equals a Marquis. This thermodynamic management ensures that the silicon carbide inverters and the stator coils remain in an optimal thermal vault, even under sustained high-voltage discharge on a racetrack. The Denza Z Spider is a stark, terrifying warning shot to the European elite. It proves that the era of heavy mechanical linkages, reactive differentials, and pneumatic suspension is drawing to a close. By mastering extreme thermodynamics, manipulating the molecular state of matter in its suspension, and utilizing pure digital telemetry, the Denza Z hasn't just joined the hypercar race. It has rewritten the fundamental laws of automotive physics,